Hello everyone. How are you doing? Yesterday to this morning, we have been having selling pressure on Bitcoin, and this is the daily time frame. First and foremost, I would like to show you the trend. If you check, this trend started October, October 10th, October 13, or October 14, 2020, between October 10 to October 14, 2023, and that was where this trend started. And we came here, that was in January 23. We tested it also. Then we had a nice rally up to the 74,000, and here was the 26, 27,000, and we had a nice rally to 48,000. So what are we seeing here? We are seeing that Bitcoin is on a trend line. That has been established from October last year. So there's no doubt about this trend line here. That's this trend line here. This one here. Come, let me remove this one. So you see this one, then here also. Now the last time, I think the last video, we're looking at, okay, Bitcoin will peak from this 59,000 upward. Yes, it did. It went to 60, 62, 63,000, and it's coming down. Now the pattern has not changed, but this was the first bottom. That's bottom one, and this is the second bottom now. So this one was a mini bottom, because sometimes when you look at trend continuation pattern, or that's trend lines and the linkage, you observe that if, let's say, this before, Bitcoin here was a head and shoulder, this was the left shoulder, this was the head, and it was trying to make another right shoulder here. But now that pattern was invalidated. So now the pattern we have now is the double bottom, which is bottom one here, then this is bottom two. So that's on the daily time frame. This is this. Then on the 4 hour, or still the daily, is trying to make another double bottom again, which is bottom one and bottom two. Now if you check, is almost testing this trend line of 57k. Do you understand? Almost. So I believe it may spike down to this 57k, then and move up, or it may just start moving up, and the first blast will go to is 90k. Then from 90k we can even go up to 100k, but to be more conservative, we'll take it to 90k. Take it to 90k from here. Take it from here to 90k, and if possible 100k. So I don't want you to panic. Today is July 4th. They'll be launching Bitcoin ETF. Ethereum. That's Ethereum ETF, not Bitcoin. Bitcoin ETF was launched January 10th, but they'll be launching Ethereum ETF. So stay on guard. Market makers are entering the market. There's a lot of volume now, so that's why you see Bitcoin is selling. It's under selling pressure. Now if you go back to this RSI, you find out that RSI RSI dipped below 20. That's dipped below 30%. It was on 26.39. Now this, when RSI hits these levels, it came up and it's coming down. So RSI also want to form a double bottom so that from the 30% region, or from even here itself, it can go up. And if you watch something, since last year, that's since last year August, this August 20, that is August 20th, that was the last time RSI dipped this low, or that's it dipped, although the low was more than this. So now again we are seeing another low. We are seeing another low on this thing, on the daily time frame. So I believe Bitcoin is up for the bulls. It's up for the bulls. And again, we have to check. Let's check. Let's check. Let's check the 1 week. If you find out now, the 1 week is on the 50% ratio of RSI. 50% of 49.93, which is 50%. So you see, that's to tell you that the RSI, it will be hard for the RSI to break below this 50%. It's standing on this 50. So you see, it's showing us that it's a trend confirmation that RSI will not easily break down, so it will continue going up. That's on the weekly time frame. And what are we seeing also on the weekly time frame? That's for the weekly. This was back in May 2021, April, May, and this was back in October 2021. So what is RSI trend? This was double top 1, this double top 2, and Bitcoin started selling. So what is this showing us? It's showing us that Bitcoin at this level is trying to maintain balance. That's find a support that will take it higher to 90k and possibly $100,000 per coin. So I want you to stay on guard. Don't sell your coins. Bitcoin is going higher. So thank you for watching. I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel.